I got this brand new MacBook NEO for 300 bucks. I know, crazy, right? And it is the 512 gigabyte version. I'm going to be telling you guys how I got it. But first, it's launch day, and I got to show you an unboxing, of course. So let's take a look at it. Now, of course, I am just now leaving the Apple store. I had to drive all the way to Milwaukee, which is about 3.5 hours away, to get this thing. But as you can see, it is the 512 gigabyte in the, what do they call this color? Citrus, I think, or something like that. I don't know. I got the colors wrong, but as you can see, we got it right here. And we're going to pop the seal on it. Oh, yeah. Let's pop the other one. Doing this with one hand because I'm so excited. All right. And I wanted to show you guys immediately what it looks like fresh out the box. So let's pop the box open. I was trying to find a case, but they didn't have any cases for it. This thing is kind of heavy. Let's do it like this. All right, so your computer, of course, you get a plug and your cord as well. All right, so that's what all comes in the box. As you can see, and it's special, but this computer is dope. This computer is dope. I might have to connect it to hotspot so I can actually use it, or But let's see what this thing looks like. Very easy to pick up. Dang, I'm slamming it all over the place. This thing is heavy. It's got some weight to it. So there it is, guys. The new MacBook NEO. Now, the 512 version is the only one that has the finger touch ID. So that's why I got that one. And obviously, I wanted more storage. But I'm going to get into a deep dive of this computer later. I kind of wanted to just show you the unboxing and that we were able to secure it on launch day. This thing is sold out. Looks like they won't be shipping out until March 23rd or later. But, I don't know why I thought it was touchscreen. But this is nice. I'm glad I got me a new Mac. Brand new Mac. My first brand new one. We got to hurry up and get home because the weather is bad out here. It's snowing a little bit. Nothing too crazy. But I just wanted to show you guys the computer. Now, everybody's somewhat hating on this computer, saying that it's not going to be able to do enough and that it's not worth it and it can't do certain things. So, of course, I'm going to put this thing to the test. But,
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
Oh, we don't want that. So, yeah, man, this is it. This is the new Mac. Should I set it up as new? I don't want to transfer anything. From a Mac, time from a Windows setup. We're going to let's set up a phone. Let's set it up as new. Forget that. So, I love how they keep everything green. The color that you get is how the thing will work, if that makes sense. So if you have the pink one, your background and everything will be pink. The blue one, blue, and silver obviously is just going to be white, I think. So I don't care about that. We're going to connect to our hotspot if I can find it. It's probably not on, so we won't worry about that. But for now, I will do this stuff later and we will do some tests on it. But just showing you guys the unboxing and that we picked it up. So the brand new MacBook NEO is finally here. Now, I think you can still pick these up. You might not be able to get the citrus color, but you can still get, for example, a 512 in the blue. I verified here at this location if they had any available. And the guy said that they did have some. So you can still get the 512 in the blue color. So if you want the blue color, you can definitely get that. But I'm gonna get up out of here I'm excited to use this computer. I have owned a Mac before, but I bought one used, and this is why I'm getting this one. I bought one used, and it cracked the screen. It was a MacBook Air, and the screen is cracked. So I'm currently selling that one on eBay, and then with this one, how I was able to get it for 300 bucks. The first thing I did was the first one I did was, dang, I can't even think right now. I'm so excited. So the reason I got this for 300 bucks is simply because I sold my black Apple Watch Ultra because I already have this one. So I traded that one in. I got 300 bucks for that. And then I also got $100 off by using the student discount. Now, I will say, they didn't verify the student discount. I'm not saying this will happen everywhere, but they did not verify the student discount. Okay, so just giving you a heads up on that. I was able to get it without having to verify anything. I don't know if that's something they'll do later, but I didn't have to verify, so that was pretty cool. They were really nice, really cool about everything, and I'm pretty excited to use this computer. I don't do much. This is going to be used for business and just very simple stuff. I'm not doing any like major graphic stuff and video editing and all that. I might do some, but I'm not doing anything crazy to where I'm going to need a crazy processor or GPU or anything like that. So very basic for what I'm doing. But I will make a video on an updated video on how this thing has been running for me in my business. So that's really it. But let me know if you guys picked up the Neo today. I'm pretty tired. I've been up since 6 this morning, and now I have to drive 3.5 hours back and probably do some more work. So I will talk to you guys later. Let me know if you guys picked it up, if you guys traded in anything and saved some money on it. I'm pretty excited. I don't even think I could have got 300 bucks for my Ultra Watch online. It was a cellular version, but I was able to get 300 bucks. So I'm happy with that. Now, what I did was I should have traded it in the store, but it's fine. So what I'm waiting for is Apple to send me a kit to send mines back, so that way I can get the money reimbursed back to me. All right. 630 bucks, I think, is what it cost me after taxes. And then with $300 off, that's going to be 330 bucks. I think that's worth it. If you can get a brand new MacBook for 300 bucks, you can't beat that. So even if I sold it a year from now, I'd still make over the amount that I paid for it, or 300 bucks. So talk to you guys later. Scoofy here. Subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends and family. Once I reach 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving away 200 bucks. I know this is a video I don't typically make on this channel, but I'm excited. I am going to be using this for my Turo business and everything else like that. So thank you guys. Appreciate you all, and I'm out.